And lols. Today was an interesting day. It was a good day, all things considered. I was partnered with someone, and sometimes we see eye to eye, sometimes we don't. But we're working through it. We do our best. Yeah, I don't know. People can be weird sometimes. It's interesting when you're trying to make the best of a situation, right? And you're bringing all of your energy to bear, and you're just not able to make it work, or you're not able to whatever it is just isn't working. It's just makes it tough, but we're working through it. I don't know. We had a competition today, and there's one person in particular in our group where sometimes we get along and sometimes we don't. But I'm always trying to bring my best foot forward. And today just wasn't it. But I'm trying. Putting in the work. But anyway, I got a package. Taylor sent a package. I'm switching back to my iPhone because I've been using my Samsung Android phone for 3 months now. I had a partnership with them 3 months ago when I got it. And I've been Android curious for a long time, but the Apple ecosystem just makes it really hard to leave. And holy shit, they got me back. It's crazy. It had been, the first month that I had it was, frustrating. But it was okay, it's a learning curve, right? The second month I was okay, maybe still a little bit of a learning curve. I was beginning to figure it out a little bit more. But there were still a lot of workarounds that just weren't great. The phone in and of itself is pretty good. I didn't like the way that it rendered colors. Its camera was really impressive if I was going to edit the photos, but if I was going to edit the photos, I'd rather just take it on my normal dedicated camera. But I did like the bigger screen. That was cool. I did like having access to crazy telephoto zooms. That was really cool. But not being able to send files back and forth between different devices, that was tough. She's a sweetheart. I love her and I miss her a lot. But yeah. But here, we're editing everything on iPhones and on Macs, and everyone else in the group has an iPhone, and not being able to text or even FaceTime Taylor at night. I have to go through Instagram Direct, and it's just it's such a pain in the ass. I'm ugh, why, but yeah, and Instagram's FaceTime feature is it's good for what it is, but it's not great. Here's my hat. This is my favorite hat that I own by far. Definitely gonna wear this thing. Sent me some of my shorts, which is amazing. Some more shorts. I love my collection of shorts. Got some nice flattering blue ones. Very cool. Definitely gonna whip some of these bad boys out tomorrow. These are from Bonobos. One of my favorite single pairs of shorts. Fantastic. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, she sent me this lace top. This one's hers. But it could be a fun over the top of a maybe a wife lover or something like that. That'd be cool. Let's see what else. This is cool. This is very Texas cowboy. vibe. Like it a lot. Let's see, what else do we got here? Oh, jump rope. Oh no, this is the box that she sent my phone in. Very cool. Little crop top, white shirt action here. Very cool. Look at this lace. I love this lace a lot. It's beginning to tear, but I'm going to use it while I got it. Light for here. This is a MagSafe tripod mount. I have a little tripod fixture down here. This thing is so handy to just be able to pop phone on and off without worrying about clamping or anything. One of my favorite things I got. This is from Moment. It was kind of weirdly expensive, but well worth it for me and what I do, like as a content creator, and like using tripods, setting things up in good lighting, learning dances, even just like casual fit videos. Very worth what it is. Okay, so I think in here should be my phone. Yes. Very cool. My phone. Perfect. Got ourselves a little paper clippy guy. A little bit of wow, it's been a minute since I've used this phone. I'm still not used to, like, it feels so small in my hand. But yeah. Looky there. Okay, very cool. So we can pop this bad boy on the charger. That's exciting. I can go ahead, after I film this, I'm going to be calling Taylor. And then I have to call my brother Tyler, because I haven't checked in with him in a couple days. Just to kind of see how he's doing, and just kind of talk to him. He's been working on a website that he's really excited about, that I know he wants to show me, so excited to get, just to hear from him on that. But yeah, there are good things happening. I'm waiting on a letter of recommendation from one of my professors from this past school year. He's been a little slow in getting it to me. He told me that he would have it to me last week. Just still don't have it, and I've been following up with him pretty frequently. And like, if it's frustrating because I know I'm asking a favor of him, but I'm kind of running out of time for what I'm using it for, which is the fire department. And if he didn't have the headspace or time or energy, I can make do without, but I just need to know one way or the other, and I just haven't. He just kind of keeps stringing me along, so it's a little frustrating, a little disempowering for sure, and yeah, I just hope he gets that to me soon. I really want to be a firefighter. I really want to do the good work. There's money too. Having a stable job would be really nice. Kiddos are expensive. But also just it's a difference that I think I could make and I want to make also, and just also the way that I was removed from the process isn't sitting right with me, because it would be different if I failed a test or something, but to be for them to tell me, like, things are okay, you know, just, like, be honest, right? And I was honest, and that I smoked weed in, like, one time in February, and for that to be the reason why they removed me from the process is just, like, so absurd. So antiquated. Very frustrating. And, very disempowering. Because I've spent most of the year, basically, since February, getting ready for this. And, it just hasn't panned out. And I like, dude, I went in on this training. I really, like, I made it fucking work, you know? So then to have it, kind of just come back in my face like that is, it's pretty disempowering. You know? And I'm trying not to take it personally, like, they have an insane amount of applicants, you know? But it's a silly policy. But anyway, I hope that when we get someone who can actually, like, look at it and it's not just, like, a bureaucratic process. And we have some people vouching for me on my behalf because I really would be a great firefighter. I'm a very honest person. I, like, very compassionate, very caring. It'll show. Also, I, like, literally, yeah, I don't smoke weed, I really don't do any of that stuff. Which is, like, and I have a bunch of friends who do, like, it's fine. I don't care. But for that to be the reason, for it to be, like, a judgment or on me or my character, it's hard to hear from an institution that I really respect. So, yeah, anyway. Peace. Have a wonderful night. I'm giving Taylor a call. See y'all.